Welcome to GU Tech. Admissions are now open for BS Computer Science at GU Tech, where technology meets innovation. Learn from globally recognized academic and industry leaders committed to shaping future technology professionals. GU Tech gives you the opportunity to gain insights from experienced researchers, innovators, and technology leaders driving impactful change. Learn from accomplished faculty members with international research and academic experience. Build strong technical foundations under the guidance of dedicated educators and mentors. Benefit from extensive industry, research, and artificial intelligence expertise. Collaborate with leading organizations and professionals to gain valuable industry exposure. Connect with industry partners and build relationships that accelerate your career growth. Study in a respectful and values-driven environment that promotes learning, discipline, and personal development. Develop practical skills through coding competitions, AI programs, workshops, and industry-focused training. Gain hands-on experience and prepare yourself for real-world technology challenges. At GeoTech, we believe talent should never be limited by financial barriers. With merit scholarships and financial assistance of up to 75%, we are committed to creating opportunities for deserving students. About 100% of our third semester students successfully completed 6-week technical internships with our industry partners. Our students here don't wait until graduation to gain industry experience. From improving safety for fishermen to creating innovative digital solutions, students develop AI-powered solutions that improve lives and address real societal needs. An innovation-driven environment empowers students to transform ideas into impactful ventures. Join us if you want to become a technology leader. Join us if you want to solve real-world problems. Join us if you want to innovate with purpose and create lasting impact.
GU टेक AI पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा काम करिए, काफ़ी फोकस है और द गुड पार्ट इज़ कि वो इंडस्ट्री के प्रॉब्लम सुनने को तैयार हैं और उसको सॉल्व करने को भी तैयार हैं।
अप्रिशिएट करूँगा कि जिस तरीके से ये स्टूडेंट्स को लेके चल रहे हैं और जिस तरीके से यहाँ की फैकल्टी है, तो इट्स एन आउटस्टैंडिंग इनिशिएटिव।
नॉलेज और इंडस्ट्री एकेडमिया का जो लिंक है, जो कि काफ़ी हद तक जनरली मार्केट में मिसिंग है, तो आई अप्रिशिएट के GU टेक हैज़ टेकन एन इनिशिएटिव लाइक दिस। यहाँ पे जिस किस्म की कोर्स मेथोडोलॉजी आप लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं कि बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी हो गया कि एक होलिस्टिक इंडिविजुअल हम प्रिपेयर करें एज एन आउटकम ऑफ द 4-year degree program.
Your future starts here. Apply now at www.gutech.edu.pk.